Hello and welcome back to SEO Science, where we unravel the secrets to digital marketing success. Today we've got a game changer for you: how to triple your customers using SEO. In this video we're going to take you on an easy to understand, in-depth journey through a step-by-step guide that will help you supercharge your customer base using SEO. So put on your goggles because we're diving right into it. Step 1: SEO fundamentals. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's all about getting your website to the top of search engine results pages. But first you need to understand the fundamentals and set real goals for your SEO efforts. Step 2: keyword research and analysis. Keyword research is the heart of SEO. Find the keywords that your potential customers are searching for using tools like Google Keyword Planner. Analyze their search volume and competition to identify the golden keywords. Step 3: on-page SEO optimization. On-page SEO involves optimizing individual web pages. Ensure that your website structure is clean, use keyword-rich titles and meta descriptions, and create content that's not only informative but also easy and engaging to read. Step 4: technical SEO tune-up. Technical SEO keeps your website running smoothly. Improve your site speed, optimize for mobile devices, and provide a great user experience. Secure your site with an SSL certificate and create XML sitemaps for better indexing. Step 5: content marketing mastery. Content is king, so create content that resonates with your target audience. Blog posts, videos, infographics and ebooks are all fair game. The more value you provide, the more customers you'll attract. Step 6: link building strategies. Building high quality backlinks is essential for SEO success. Earn them by creating exceptional content, guest posting on relevant websites, and establishing partnerships with industry influencers. Step 7: continuous monitoring and improvement. SEO is an ongoing process. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your website's performance, track key metrics, adapt your strategy as needed, and stay informed about the latest SEO trends. And there you have it, our step-by-step guide on how to triple your customers using SEO. Remember, it takes time and consistent effort, but the results can be truly transformative for your business. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any further SEO tips or tricks. Keep optimizing, keep growing, and soon you'll be celebrating a threefold increase in your customer base. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.